In the previous video, we covered what preventive maintenance scheduling is and how to decide the right PM frequency, how to build a PM schedule from scratch, and what strong PM checklists should include. There are two common ways to schedule preventive maintenance: time-based and meter-based. Time-based preventive maintenance tasks are performed according to a fixed calendar schedule, regardless of how much an asset is used. For example, HVAC filters may be inspected every month, fire safety equipment serviced every quarter, facility assets inspected annually, and specific equipment lubricated every 2 weeks. This type of maintenance works best when equipment usage remains relatively consistent or when regulatory compliance requires maintenance to occur at set intervals. In contrast, meter-based PMs are triggered by actual asset usage rather than time. Examples include servicing a forklift every 250 operating hours, inspecting a conveyor every 10,000 cycles, changing oil after a specific number of miles, or replacing parts once a certain production count has been reached. Meter-based PMs are especially effective for equipment with varying levels of use because they help organizations avoid over-maintaining assets that are rarely used while ensuring heavily utilized equipment receives maintenance when needed. For many maintenance teams, the most effective approach is a combination of both time-based and meter-based preventive maintenance strategies. If you are starting from zero, do not try to schedule everything at once. Start with your most important assets. Step 1. Build an asset list. Identify the equipment, machines, vehicles, systems, and facilities that need maintenance. Include asset name, location, model, serial number, criticality, and operating environment. Step 2. Rank assets by criticality. Focus first on assets that affect safety, production, compliance, customer service, or major costs. Step 3. Gather maintenance requirements. Use manufacturer manuals, warranty requirements, safety standards, technician knowledge, and past repair history. Step 4. Define PM tasks. Each PM should include clear instructions, required parts, tools, estimated time, safety steps, and completion criteria. Step 5. Choose the right frequency. Use daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, annual, or meter-based triggers depending on asset risk and usage. Step 6. Assign ownership. Decide who performs the task, who reviews completion, and who updates the schedule. Step 7. Track results. Measure whether PMs are reducing downtime, emergency repairs, repeat failures, and maintenance costs. This is where CMMS software becomes especially valuable. A CMMS like MicroMain helps teams automate PM schedules, generate work orders, track completion, manage asset history, and report on maintenance performance. Here are a few common preventive maintenance examples for manufacturing environments. For conveyors, inspect belts for wear. Check alignment and tension. Lubricate bearings. Inspect motors and drives. Clean debris around moving parts. Verify guards and safety stops. For CNC machines, check lubrication levels. Inspect coolant systems. Clean chips and debris. Inspect spindle condition. Check calibration. Review abnormal vibration or noise. For pumps, inspect seals and gaskets. Check for leaks. Monitor vibration. Lubricate bearings. Verify pressure and flow readings. Inspect motor condition. For compressors, check oil levels. Inspect filters. Drain moisture traps. Inspect belts and hoses. Monitor pressure. Check for unusual noise or heat. For packaging equipment, inspect sensors. Clean contact surfaces. Check rollers and belts. Verify alignment. Inspect pneumatic components. Test safety interlocks. The best PM examples are specific, measurable, and tied to the asset's real failure risks. A good preventive maintenance checklist should be simple enough for technicians to use quickly, but detailed enough to create reliable maintenance records. A basic PM checklist should include the following. For example, instead of writing inspect motor, a stronger checklist item would say Check motor housing for excessive heat, unusual noise, vibration, loose mounts, and visible damage. Record findings and create a corrective work order if needed. That level of detail improves consistency and gives maintenance leaders better data over time. Many PM programs fail because they are too generic. Common mistakes include the following. A preventive maintenance schedule should evolve. As your team collects better data, your PM program should become more precise. Manual PM scheduling in spreadsheets can work for a small number of assets, but it becomes difficult as teams grow. CMMS software helps maintenance teams with the following. Preventive maintenance scheduling is not about doing more maintenance. It is about doing the right maintenance on the right assets at the right time. MicroMain helps maintenance and operations teams build smarter preventive maintenance programs, streamline work orders, track asset history, and improve maintenance efficiency. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest maintenance management tips, industry insights, and product updates.